So continue. Number 2. Extinguishing a flame indirectly. So that's very famous trick that everybody is asking. It is prohibited to extinguish or lower the flame for any purpose other than the 8 cooking. Okay. Thus, if gas flame is causing room to become uncomfortably hot in summer, right, on shores, one is forbidden to lower it. In such a situation, however, it is permitted to extinguish the flame in indirect manner by means of causing, grama. So grama is in the indirect, okay. For example, one may place a full pot of water over the flame so that the water will boil to overflow, and thereby extinguish the flame. Once the flame has been extinguished, the gas may be shut off. This method is permitted only if some of the boiled water will be used for Yom Tov purpose, such as drinking or washing. Otherwise, it would be forbidden to boil water in the first place. So let's do it again, and we're going to explain. There are a few very interesting ideas here, very important. Okay, so from the beginning, extinguishing the flame indirectly. So directly, it's forbidden, right? It is prohibited to extinguish all over the flame for any purpose other than to aid cooking. So extinguishing, I would say only lower flame to aid cooking. So otherwise, it's not allowed, right? So for example, if it's very hot, and it's like, especially if you have blech there, and in the summer, it's very, very hot. So we try not to use it because it's too much. Okay. We can find hot. One is forbidden to lower it. So you cannot shut off, and you cannot, and you cannot lower it. So whatever was used, so you must leave it as it is. So in such a situation, however, it is permitted to extinguish flame in indirect manner. So indirect manner, so you take a pot, full of water. You boil the water. We're allowed to boil the water, and when it starts boiling, it starts like overflowing. It's going like go on the fire, extinguish the fire, and when there is no more fire, so you're allowed to turn off the gas. So that's the trick, right? Because it's a hazard, right? The gas is escaping. It can create dangerous situation. So you're allowed to turn off. There is no fire. Okay, but they said, of course, this water cannot go to waste, like the whole procedure. So what you can do, you can just drink tea, this boiled water. Drink some tea, and that's it. For example, a practical example would be if they are afraid, to go take a nap or go to visit somebody because the flame is burning, and there are people very, very sensitive about leaving the stove on, very sensitive, very, very worried, and very interesting. So to some people, so there is one couple that we try to help, and so she's afraid all everything, right? So we said, we consulted with Rabbi. So okay, in this case they're allowed to eat the cold food, right? Cold food, and drink hot tea, right? In thermos, not the thermos that you plugged in, but regular thermos, regular. Okay, because she's afraid to have these appliances on when they're sleeping or they're away. Okay, no problem. Okay.